Hey everybody, it's Kayla. In this video we're going to be talking about the tongue web piercing. First of all, the tongue web piercing is pretty easy to take care of while it's healing. It has a pretty low rate of infection. As long as you keep your mouth clean, you can brush your teeth, brush your tongue. Just try to avoid directly hitting the piercing while it is healing. Gum and teeth damage is pretty low risk for this piercing, as long as it's placed correctly. Usually the tongue web is pretty far away from where gum and teeth damage could occur. When it is first pierced, it can cause a lisp or speech impediment while it's swelling. If this does happen, it will usually subside within the first hour to the end of the first day. It is important to downsize jewelry when the swelling has gone away. With any new piercing, you will receive a longer piece of jewelry that will allow room for swelling. After the swelling is gone, you should return to your piercer and have them change the jewelry to lower the risk of any teeth or gum damage. Longer jewelry can reach the teeth and erode gums. This piercing placement is pretty awkward and can be hard to reach. If you lose a ball, then you do risk swallowing the jewelry. If the jewelry does fall out, have somebody help you or return to your piercer so that they can help you get it back in. Tear and rejection are possible. If you do experience a tear, the best thing is to retire your piercing, remove the jewelry, and let it close. If your piercing has rejected, grown out of the body completely, your anatomy may not be suitable for the piercing, or it was pierced improperly. An important thing to keep in mind if you are considering getting a tongue web piercing is it is very high maintenance after it is healed. Plaque and calcium buildup can collect on the jewelry. This is easy to get rid of if you constantly clean it. A high buildup of plaque and calcium can make your piercing very uncomfortable to wear. You should clean your jewelry every time you brush your teeth. You can use your toothbrush to clean away debris, or it should be cleaned at least once a week. Cleaning it this often will leave your piercing healthy and happy. And that's all I have for the tongue web piercing. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.